Hello guys, let me tour you to my garden. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. What was your favourite plant? Tell me in the comments below. That's 1 minute. Bye bye.